Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the glitch effect on your videos using Clipchamp. If you want to give your video a unique look using the glitch effect, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit and add the glitch effect. Now here you can find the option of edit. Simply tap on it. Next, tap onto the effects option, which is right here. Now scroll to your right and find the glitch effect. Once you find the effect, simply tap on it and tap onto the check mark right here. Now here you can see the glitch effect has been added to your video easily. And that's it. This is how you can add the glitch effect on your videos using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.